Hey guys, welcome back to Jumping Bean Tech. In this video, we're taking a look at the NuPhy Halo75 V2 I/O wireless mechanical keyboard. This is the newest version in the Halo series, and NuPhy sent this unit over so we can check out the design and what's actually new here. Taking a look at the features, you're getting ton of upgrades here like new lighting effects, gasket mount, and long battery life. Let's take a look at what you get in the box. Right on top, there's a quick start guide and an FAQ to help you get up and running without any guesswork. The instructions are straightforward with clear images that make them easy to follow and explain the different connection modes. There's also the QR codes for online manuals, which leads to all the details about the keyboard settings and RGB light modes. Underneath, you'll find the keyboard comes well protected with a soft cover. This is the ANSI layout model in the high-profile ionic white color, and it comes with NuPhy's Red Max switches, which are linear and designed for a smooth, effortless typing experience. In the box, you also get a USB-C cable for wired connectivity, extra switches and keycaps, and a keycaps and switches puller. The top case is aluminum and the bottom is ABS, which keeps the weight reasonable while still feeling solid. It's a high-profile design, so the case walls are tall. That gives it a premium, almost industrial look. But it also means a wrist rest is highly recommended if you're typing for long sessions. You get 3 connection modes: wired, 2.4 GHz wireless, and Bluetooth 5.0. Wired and 2.4 GHz both run at 1000 Hz polling rate, which is excellent for gaming. At the back, you get the 2.4 GHz wireless USB on the left, and on the right, you get the options to select Windows or macOS and connectivity modes. On the bottom, you get height adjustable hinges. You get 3 typing angles here: 5 degrees, 8.5 degrees, and 12 degrees. The adjustability is good and the hinges feel sturdy, not flimsy. This keyboard uses normal profile mechanical switches, not low profile, mounted on a gasket-mounted POM plate. That combo gives the board a softer bottom out and a slightly muted sound signature. It's also hot-swappable and supports both 3-pin and 5-pin MX-style switches, which is great if you like experimenting. Let's talk about the RGB, because this is one area where the Halo75 V2 definitely puts on a show. This keyboard uses south-facing RGB LEDs, which is great news if you plan to swap keycaps later. You don't get interference with cherry profile caps, and the light diffusion looks more even across the board. You get 40+ lighting modes here. That includes the usual static colors, breathing effects, smooth waves, ripples, reactive key presses, and some layered animations that look especially good in darker setups. One thing to keep in mind though, running full RGB does have a noticeable impact on battery life. If you want maximum runtime, either dim the lights or switch to simpler effects. There's a 4000 mAh battery inside. NuPhy claims anywhere from 9 to over 300 hours depending on lighting. Realistically, with RGB on most of the time, expect closer to the middle of that range, turn the lights off, and yeah, this thing lasts a very long time. Now let's talk about customization, because NuPhy takes a slightly different approach here. Instead of traditional downloadable software, NuPhy uses a web-based interface at NuPhy.io, which works directly in your browser. You just plug in the keyboard, open the site, and you're good to go. You can customize individual keys, set function layer behaviors, and make the layout fit your workflow. For example, productivity shortcuts, media controls, or app-specific keys are easy to assign. The interface lets you remap keys, adjust the layout, set shortcuts, and tweak basic behavior without installing anything. RGB controls are also accessible here, letting you change effects and brightness, but again, it's focused on usability, not extreme customization. So overall, the NuPhy.io interface is great if you want quick, no-hassle customization that just works. But if you're the kind of user who loves spending hours fine-tuning every layer and macro, this probably won't replace a full custom firmware setup. As expected from NuPhy, keycap swapping is straightforward. It includes a keycap puller and extra keycaps in the box, mainly for alternate layouts and accent keys, so you can tweak the look or switch between Mac and Windows without touching software. The keycap puller grips evenly, pops caps off cleanly, and doesn't scratch the sides. That makes quick swaps painless, especially when you're just changing modifiers or accent keys. Standard MX style compatibility means you're not locked into NuPhy's ecosystem, and the south-facing RGB keeps things clean with aftermarket sets. For beginners, this is a great entry point into keyboard customization, and for more experienced users, it saves time. You can dial in the look you want without fighting the hardware. The NuPhy Halo75 V2 is a well-built, feature-packed keyboard that clearly prioritizes typing comfort and versatility. It's not trying to replace a fully custom board, but it does offer a very polished out-of-the-box experience. It works across macOS, Windows, Linux, Android, and iOS, so device hopping is easy. If you value layout efficiency, solid construction, and multi-device support, this one deserves a spot on your shortlist. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more tech reviews.